and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the news beat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Strengthening social cohesion and stability in the slum population was carried out in Uganda's capital city, Kampala, in slums of Waiseka, Twechisenyi and Kabalagala. The study revealed that poverty was the #1 cause of violent extremism in the slum areas, resulting in the high unemployment rates among slum dwellers. Poverty has also escalated crime and domestic violence, as well as family disputes, political extremism and human sacrifice. The EU head of section governance and human rights, Thomas Tidman, said, although Uganda has 78% of its citizens under 30 years of age, the Ugandan government has not made necessary plans to cater for these youth, hence ending up in slums. Most of the criminal bases are found in these slum areas, according to the police authorities, as many slum dwellers are brought to criminal activities because of unemployment and poverty. The police also said that these slums could also become a security risk because poor slum dwellers are favored targets for terrorists. However, the European Union decided to allocate 16.4 billion shillings to the youth in these slum areas to improve their living conditions as well as their welfare. The city authorities also say a physical plan to redevelop these slums is also in progress, so that slum dwellers can also get better housing services. Turn off the light
to show you a problem that is out of our sight. For many Ugandan citizens, electricity is an unaffordable luxury. Others live in remote villages too far from where the power cables are. But there is more if we would all use lots of electricity. The pressure on our planet would be crazy. Look at this energy solution in Tororo, which could be an example for the generation of tomorrow. An energy supplier from Italy called Building Energy has constructed a $19 million solar plant with the help of many countries and the Ugandan government. The solar plant wants to be a model in clean energy, a newcomer in the non-polluting industry for industries are hardly environmentally friendly. The solar plant is a photovoltaic park. This means many solar cells together just need sunny weather and there will be light in the dark. CO2 emissions will drop by 7,200 metric tons per year.
Hold up, what does that mean?
Maybe you have learnt it in class, but CO2 is a greenhouse gas emitted through human activity and fossil fuels like oil and coal. If the emissions is too high, the planet will eventually fry. But don't worry yet, with clean solar plants, we might get the environment back on track. And in Tororo, there will be clean electricity for 35,000 people who were powerless before, but now don't have to use candles anymore.
Wow, that's a mighty power project out there. You were right. Next time I'll think twice before switching on the light. Africa's startups have contributed significantly to Africa's technological advancements in the recent years. As this technological landscape continues to be shaped by more young innovators, inventors and entrepreneurs. And in recognition to this development, Techcrunch, a new site from America, partnered with Facebook to host the first startup battlefield competition in the sub-Saharan Africa. Applications were submitted from over 1,000 companies across the continent, but only 15 startup companies were eventually selected for the event, which was hosted in front of a live audience in Nairobi, Kenya's capital city, and streamed live on Techcrunch and Facebook to showcase their continent's potential. Ghana-based In Kampala won the gaming and entertainment category, which also included fashion. The company lets e-merchants to synchronize all their products on shopping sites like eBay and Amazon. Another Ghanaian company, Agro Center, won the social good category at the tech contest. The startup helps rural farmers to access large markets by cutting off the middleman with its online marketplace, thus increasing their profits. Lorry Systems won the productivity and utility category for building a logistic platform to improve cargo transportation across various African territories. Invoicing, payment and tracking are also handled by the Nairobi-based company. It also emerged as the winner of the $25,000 grand prize of the first Startup Battlefield Africa and an all-expense-paid trip for two to the Disrupt San Francisco event next year, where African winners will compete against their global peers.
Hey Slag, did you play traditional games as a kid?
Omwesorudo and Matatu? I did!
These traditional games could easily be lost unless digitized like they were in the West. A group of programmers saw this challenge, they had a solution, so they took the plunge and joined the Android Development Challenge. Even though the game was still broken, they showed strong competition. They didn't win, but they found a new mission and started Kola Studios to preserve tradition. Instead of letting games die from modernity, they saved different traditions with technology. After digitizing games from Uganda and Kenya, they created some from New Zealand and Ghana. Kola Studios also created Zizi the Zebra and the performance platform Phaser. Apart from founders Jasper Onono and Daniel Okolani, the app and game company has 8 employees. They often face challenges in the industry like difficulties of Uganda's economy and allowing payments on mobile money. But they have kept persistence in their progress and stayed patient on their path to success. I'm Riff HD reporting for Newsbeat.
That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still let it like reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.